Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we delve into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, commonly known as AI. Imagine a branch of computer science that aspires to create machines with the ability to mimic human intelligence. That's AI for you. It's like teaching computers to be as smart as humans, to understand, learn, and even make decisions. Now, let's break down AI into two categories. First, we have narrow AI. This type of AI is designed to perform a specific task, like voice recognition. On the other hand, we have general AI. This kind of AI can perform any intellectual task that a human being can do. It's like having a virtual Einstein in your pocket. With AI becoming increasingly prevalent in our day-to-day lives, it's crucial to understand its fundamental aspects. So let's journey together into the captivating realm of artificial intelligence. The journey of AI from a mere concept to a transformative technology is indeed intriguing. The story of AI takes us back to the mid-20th century, where it was born out of the human desire to create intelligent machines. It was a time of great scientific curiosity and innovation, with researchers exploring the potential of machines to mimic human thought processes. The Dartmouth Conference in 1956 is often cited as the birthplace of AI, where the term artificial intelligence was first coined. The following decades saw significant breakthroughs, such as the development of the first chess-playing computer program in the 1970s, and IBM's Deep Blue defeating the world champion in chess in the late 90s. Today, AI is not just a futuristic concept, but a reality. From voice assistants like Siri and Alexa to autonomous cars and sophisticated recommendation systems, AI has permeated our everyday lives. The evolution of AI is a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. Now that we know what AI is and where it came from, you might be wondering, how does it actually work? Well, let's dive into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and shed some light on its workings. At its core, AI is about creating machines that can think and learn like humans. But how do we make machines learn? This is where concepts like machine learning and deep learning come into play. Machine learning is a subset of AI where machines are trained to learn from data. Just like a child learns from experiences, machines learn from large amounts of data that are fed into them. The more the data, the better the learning. Deep learning goes a step further. It's a subset of machine learning that uses neural networks to simulate human decision-making. Imagine the brain's network of neurons. This is what a neural network tries to replicate within a machine. These networks are composed of layers of nodes, each node representing a tiny decision-making center. The depth of these layers is what gives deep learning its name. Now let's talk about neural networks. They are essentially the backbone of deep learning. They are algorithms designed to recognize patterns, just like our brains do. They interpret sensory data, detecting features and patterns and making sense out of them, just like humans. Lastly, we have natural language processing, or NLP. This is the technology used to help computers understand, interpret, and manipulate human language. It's what powers the voice recognition systems in our smartphones or the chatbots on various websites. NLP not only understands language but also responds in a way that is incredibly similar to human conversation. So, in essence, AI works by using machine learning, deep learning, neural networks, and NLP to mimic human intelligence. It's about teaching machines to learn from experience, recognize patterns, understand human language, and make decisions. The workings of AI might seem complicated, but at its core, it's all about mimicking human intelligence and making machines learn from experience. Scene script. AI is not just a concept confined to labs and tech companies, it's right here, influencing our society in profound ways. Let's consider healthcare. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing this sector, helping doctors diagnose diseases with greater accuracy and speed. It's enabling the development of personalized treatment plans and predicting health risks even before symptoms appear. AI is also assisting in drug discovery, potentially shortening the time to market for life-saving medications. Now, imagine the transportation industry. Autonomous vehicles powered by AI are no longer a distant dream. Self-driving cars, drones, and even ships are becoming a reality, promising safer and more efficient travel. AI is also optimizing logistics and supply chain management, leading to reduced costs and environmental impact. In the realm of entertainment, AI is reshaping the way we consume media. It's driving personalized recommendations, helping us discover new movies, music, and books tailored to our tastes. AI-powered virtual reality is providing immersive experiences, transporting us to worlds beyond our imagination. And in our personal lives, AI is there too. From smart home devices that adjust the temperature to our liking, to virtual assistants that help us manage our schedules, AI is making our lives more convenient and efficient. But it's not just about the present. The future implications of AI are equally fascinating. It holds the promise of tackling some of our most pressing challenges, from climate change to poverty eradication. AI could help us understand complex systems, predict trends, and make informed decisions to shape a sustainable and equitable future. However, with great power comes great responsibility. As we embrace AI, we must also navigate the ethical and societal implications. Issues of privacy, security, and job displacement require thoughtful consideration and proactive measures. The impact of AI on our society is profound and far-reaching, and it's only just the beginning. So there we have it, a quick walkthrough of the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. We've journeyed from its inception, tracing the intriguing milestones in its history. We've delved into the mechanics of how it works, shedding light on the complex algorithms that drive these intelligent systems. And we've also explored its significant impact on society, illustrating just how intertwined our lives have become with AI. As we move forward, it's important to remember that AI isn't a far-off concept. It's here, it's now, and it's revolutionizing the world. It's in our phones, our cars, our homes, even our healthcare systems. Understanding AI, its capabilities, and its implications is more than just knowledge, it's empowering. It gives us the ability to navigate this rapidly evolving landscape with informed curiosity. Subscribe to the channel for more informative videos like this and turn on all notifications to be updated in the domain of AI. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.